Mistakes don't define you. Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be shedding light on a most common issue in our society. Most people judge us by our actions, they cannot read our minds. Although it is correct somehow that our actions are a true reflection of what is going on inside our mind. But sometimes we do flammable actions. We make mistakes because humans are not angels. They are designed this way by our Creator to make mistakes. As we know, to err is human, to forgive is divine. I will give you some tips that will help you in acknowledging your past mistakes. So let's not wait more time and jump right into it. Don't become a hostage to your past mistakes. We should acknowledge that we are only humans. And we are prone to making mistakes. Sometimes we make mistakes due to our lack of knowledge. At some points in our lives we make mistakes just because of our lack of experiences. We should not let these small past mistakes consume us. Whenever we make any mistake, we become hostage to that certain mistake. And start considering ourselves not worthy of anything. So we should not let our past mistakes eat us. Instead, we should acknowledge them and realize that we can improve ourselves by incrementing our knowledge. A mistake should be our teacher, not our attacker. Sometimes when we make mistakes we feel guilty and we feel attacked. We get attacked that we are not worthy and we can never be able to do better in our lives. We feel degraded in our lives and people start considering us low as well. They start to call us losers, due to which we commit mistakes intentionally. When someone degrades us, it results in shedding of our self-esteem. We start to think that we are never enough. Such controlling words have a negative impact on our personality. The degradation of self-esteem is dangerous. We should not let this consume us. Focusing on what you can do is a prime step in building your self-esteem. When you have a strong self-esteem, no one can dare touch your soul. But when your self-esteem is at a lower level, everyone can attack you. Even your own mistakes can attack you. We should be confident enough to embrace our old selves. We should recognize that it was our old self that made mistakes. Now it is time to move on. Your past mistakes are meant to guide you. Whenever you make mistakes, those are meant to guide you. Mistakes show you the right path. They show you the pathway of refining your old ways. In this way, when you learn from your past mistakes, you become even better. After realizing your past mistakes, we should not degrade ourselves. We should acknowledge that it was our past. And the past should not be brought to the present. Because constant thinking about the past leads to unhealthy decisions in the present as well. Thinking about past mistakes will not make us any better. We should think that at those times we were not wise enough and mature enough. But now we have experiences and we are mature enough to make right decisions. At last, I must say, mistakes are our guides. They help us become even better human beings. We should focus on correcting them. We should work on building our esteems, so that we have enough courage to embrace our mistakes. That's all for today's video. Bye bye.